Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about something that is a real game changer, a tool called Ollama. It lets you run some seriously powerful AI models right on your own computer. And the best part, it's private, it works offline, and it's completely free.
I mean, just think about that for a second. What if you could have the power of a top-tier language model, but with total 100% privacy, and it costs you absolutely nothing? We're talking no internet required, none of your data ever gets sent to some company's server. It sounds a little like science fiction, right? But it's not. It's something anyone with a reasonably new computer can do right now.
Okay, so how does this actually work? And maybe more importantly, why would you even want to do it? Let's break down the difference between the AI services we're all used to and this new local-first approach.
So here's the deal. On one side, you've got your cloud AI. Think ChatGPT, Gemini, all the big names. They're amazing, but they need the internet. Your data is being sent to their servers for processing, and often you got to pay a subscription. But on the other side, you've got local AI, and it's the total opposite. It works offline, your data never leaves your machine, and the software itself is free. You are in the driver's seat.
What this all boils down to is that running AI locally turns your own computer into a private sandbox. It's your personal AI playground. You can experiment, build, create, do whatever you want with these incredible tools, and you never have to worry about who's watching. No strings attached.
So what's the magic key that unlocks all this? It's a fantastic, and I mean really simple tool called Ollama.
The best way to think about Ollama is to imagine an app store. Seriously. But instead of downloading games or social media apps, you're downloading these powerful AI brains. It takes care of all the complicated stuff in the background, which makes getting these models up and running on your own machine incredibly easy. All right, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds cool, but it must be a pain to set up, right? Nope, not at all. In fact, you can be up and running in just a few minutes. It's really just 3 simple steps.
Okay, step 1, just go to the Ollama website and download it. It works on Mac, Windows, Linux, the whole shebang. Step 2, run that installer, just like you would for any other program you've ever installed. And finally, step 3, open up your command line tool. On a Mac, that's the terminal. On Windows, it's PowerShell or Command Prompt. And hey, don't let that term scare you. You don't need to know how to code. You just need a place to type one little command.
And that's literally it. You're done. No crazy configurations, no coding skills needed. You are now fully set up and ready to go. It really is that fast.
Now for the fun part. This is where it all comes together. With Ollama installed, you are just one single command away from having a conversation with your very own private AI.
This is it. This is the magic command. You just type Ollama run Llama 3 into that terminal window and hit enter. The first time you do this, Ollama automatically goes out and downloads Meta's powerful Llama 3 model for you. After that, it just instantly launches it ready to go.
And boom, just like that, a prompt appears. You're in. You are now talking directly to Llama 3, and it's running entirely on your own computer. You can ask it to write you some code, brainstorm ideas, summarize a huge article, anything you can think of, all completely offline and all private.
So look, this is more than just a cool tech trick. The fact that anyone can now run these incredibly powerful models locally, well, it has some pretty profound implications for all of us.
This is really about empowerment. First off, it democratizes access to AI. Anyone with a decent computer can now play with the latest and greatest models without having to ask for permission or pay a monthly fee. Second, it allows for truly private experimentation. You can work with sensitive data without it ever leaving your machine. This just unlocks so many creative and professional doors that were closed before. And, maybe the most important part is about ownership. You are in control of your tools, not the other way around.
So this brings us to one last, really exciting thought. We've effectively put one of the most powerful technologies ever created directly into the hands of individuals. The barrier to entry is just, poof, vanished. So the only real question left is, now that you can do this, what will you build with it?